That is a bright sunset, and it's very chilly here. Probably about 5 degrees with the wind chill. Right now I'm recording in 4K at 24p with the ultra wide lens mode on the GoPro Hero 13 Black. And this is McKinley Beach in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. And I got the GoPro program to record 5-minute intervals. So at the end of the 5 minutes, it'll stop, and I believe I gotta press record again for to resume recording for 5 more minutes. At least that's what I understand so far. Well, I think I'll turn back around here. And the app tells me how much time has lapsed, as you can see here. And it will stop at the 5-minute set time. I'm hoping the horizon stayed straight, but I got the GoPro strapped to my head over here, and it's probably bouncing around a little. Okay, here comes the time.